Welcome to 2026. Brand new carving for the new year. I think I set the bar a little high on this one. Beautiful cherry walking stick or cane with a nice basket weave design with an inlay or a through stick that goes all the way through this. So you see these openings go right through to the stick. Nice 3-foot long cane. I'll take you step by step through this carving. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back to another show. What we're going to have is a nice piece of cherry. It's about 1 1/8 thick. And we sketched out, I don't know if you can see that yet. Nice loon or swan or heron head. We're going to make a nice little walking cane. This one's going to be very delicate, much smaller than a normal walking stick. Let's start carving. So a couple of weeks ago, a company out of Ukraine, Forged Steel Tools, sent me a set of carving chisels. Beautiful leather case here, and a set of 3 carving chisels. Let me just take out one as an example. Beautiful ash handles, all hand forged. Polish the tip and it comes razor sharp. Nice little spot in the back to hammer in. Working with chisels. So we got 3 sizes going up all the way to quite a large scoop, actually. See there the profile. Beautiful tools. If it's anything like their carving knife set, I'm going to be very pleased. Links down below if you wanted to pick yourself up one as well. Shipping was pretty quick. Came right to the door. Quality is fantastic. Again, solid ash handles. Let's give them a try. Let's see how they work out. So we're almost complete sanding. We're getting there. Did a nice basket weave design at the end, all the way through. So we have a 3/4 inch rod, hardwood rod. I knocked down the last 4 inches down to a 1/2 inch, which is the same as that inside hole. And now you're going to start seeing the design. What I'm figuring is this cherry is going to become much darker with the oil on it than the rod. So you're going to see a difference between the wood on the inside to the outside. That's the overall design. Let's continue. So there we have a very intricate cane. We have our nice crane, duck, let's say waterfowl, with a beautiful basket weave going through, and you see the stick underneath, how we inserted it in. Total length is 3 feet. Perfect for a nice lightweight cane for walking around the city. Beautiful details. Also in this video, we got introduced to a nice set of carving chisels from Forged Steel Tools. Link is down below. Now what we're going to do is put a little bit of Watco teak oil and make these colors pop. So we just put a little teak oil in here. Just a piece of cotton. I think that'll be a good shot. As we thought, the cherry is darkening up. Oh, but there's a little bit of sapwood on the back. So a nice little detail here, a little lighter strip right at the back, which is beautiful. But look at that. Let's turn it into the light. Look at that detail. Beautiful. Let me finish putting it on, and I'll show you how it all turned out. So this is going to be a 2-part stain. As you see, it's starting to dry up nicely, but before it hardens completely, on the shaft we're going to darken it up with a little walnut colored Danish oil. Just to put a little piece of tape, because I want a clear spot here before it darkens up. It's not going to be 100% black, but just to tie it a little more into the cherry.